Okay, so here we're looking at cylinder 2, cylinder 4, cylinder 6, and cylinder 8. And the failure is right there. The failure is right there. Multiple failures. And on this side, this is the passenger side, going to the driver's side. The failure is right there. Big chunk of gasket gone. And it was leaking both fronts from here and here. And if we look at the cylinder heads, you can see right there, that's where the oil is leaking in the front, right here, and spilling over to the back of the engine. I'm sorry, this is the rear, and then this is the front. Same failure, front and back of the gasket. That should be just nice, clean aluminum. And all the spark plugs are shot.